There are 3 ways to customize AI, and most people only know one. Here's the decision framework. First, prompting. You're not changing the AI at all. You're just telling it what to do, really clearly. Act like a senior lawyer. Summarize this contract in plain English. That's it. Zero cost, zero training, takes minutes. This is always where you want to start. But what if the AI doesn't know what it needs to know? Your company's internal docs, last week's sales data, a policy manual it's never seen. That's where RAG comes in. Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of retraining the model, you plug in an external knowledge source. The AI looks up the relevant info, then answers. Think of it like giving the AI a cheat sheet before the test. It takes hours or days to set up, no model retraining required. And then there's fine-tuning. This is where you actually retrain the model on your own data. You're not just giving it instructions, you're changing how it thinks. Great for highly specialized tasks. A medical coding assistant, a brand voice generator, a legal document classifier. But it's expensive. It takes days or weeks, and you need a lot of quality data. This is the last resort, not the first move. Here's the simple rule. Try prompting first. If the AI doesn't have the knowledge it needs, add RAG. If the behavior still isn't right at a deep level, then, and only then, fine-tune. Cost and effort go up at every step, but so does the payoff. But only if you actually need it. Prompting is minutes, RAG is days, fine-tuning is weeks. Match the tool to the job. Follow for the next video, drop your questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.